Greetings. Unit 6, lecture number 5. Let us derive expression for general expression of work done for polytropic process. Considering open system, we know that for open system work done W is equal to minus integration 1 to 2 VdP. Since we are deriving expression for polytropic process, the law is Pv raised to power n is equal to C. Therefore, V is equal to C upon P raised to power 1 upon n. If we replace V is equal to C by P raised to power 1 by n in equation number 1, then W will be is equal to minus integration 1 to 2 C by P 1 by n dP. Since C is a constant, take it outside, therefore it will be minus C raised to power 1 by n integration 1 to 2 P raised to power minus 1 by n dP. Now integrate P with respect to dP, the integration will be P raised to power minus 1 by n plus 1 upon minus n by n minus 1 by n plus 1 in limit 1 to 2. Then after solving the integration, it will be minus n upon n minus 1 into C raised to power 1 by n in bracket P2 raised to power n minus 1 upon n minus P1 raised to power n minus 1 upon n. If we replace the value of C, we know that P1 V1 raised to power n is equal to P2 V2 raised to power n is equal to C. Then we will replace C where P2 is, where there is a P2, we will replace C by P2 V2 raised to power n, where there is a P1, we will replace C by P1 V1 raised to power n. Now C itself has a power 1 by n, therefore the next equation will be W is equal to minus n upon n minus 1 P2 V2 raised to power n bracket power 1 by n into P2 raised to power n minus 1 upon n minus P1 V1 raised to power n bracket power 1 by n into P1 n minus 1 upon n bracket close. Therefore W is equal to minus n upon n minus 1 P2 V2 minus P1 V1. Now equation number 3 represents the general equation of polytropic flow process, work done for polytropic process.